Wind is a poem which is composed by Subhanya Bharti. Through this poem, the author gives information to the society that those person who are mentally weak and disturbed by his problem, he say that one person who mentally strong and don't disturb his problem. The Beggar is a story which is written by Anton Chekhov. In this story, the author has given a message to the society that sometime it will necessary to take an important and unwilling decision in his life. To prove it, the author has given a message of a beggar. That name was Loskov. He had lost his job due to his begging habit and due to his drinking habit, and he was a beggar. He begging the by creating an imaginary story, and another character in his story is Sergei, who is advocate, and and another character of the story is known as Olga, that is cook of Sergei. Wind is a poem which is composed by Subramanya Bharti. In this poem, the author was give message to the society. Those person not mentally prepared and distribute by problem of his life. That one person mentally prepared and don't disturb any problem of his life.
Morning to all, this is Saksham from 9th B. Today I am here to tell about the central idea of a poem, The Wind. A wind is a poem which is composed by Subramanyam Bharti. In this poem, the author has used by the wind as problem for fire for desire. Here the author has tried his best to give some information to the society that those persons who are not mentally strong. He was disturbed by the problem of life. And one person who are mentally strong, this is no any effect of any problem in his life.
The Beggar is a story which is a composed of Anton Chekhov. To this story, the author has given message to society that become is necessary and to take a critical and unwilling decision in life. To prove it, it has a given example of beggar named. The Beggar is a story which is written by Anton Chekhov. Through this story, the author has given a message to the society that sometimes critical and unwilling decision to the life. To prove it, the author has given an example of a beggar named Loskov. He had lost his job due to drinking habit. He was story which is composed by Anton Chekhov. Through this story, the author has critical condition and crimes and and un, and unwilling. The Beggar is a story which is written by Anton Chekhov. Through this story, the author has given a message to the society that sometimes it becomes necessary to take a critical and unwilling decision in life. To prove it, the author has given example of the beggar named Loskov, who had lost his job due to his drinking habit. The another character is Wind is a poem which is composed by Subramanya Bharti. In this poem, author are used to wind as a problem. Author has given best information to the society. Those people are not mentally strong and disturbed in our life. Though he said, "Ask, I am not. I am."